Here we come to the elevator, Monmouth County Library Headquarters Branch in Manalapan, New Jersey. Guess what? It's Dover. Let's wait for it. It's one of my favorite elevators. Kind of rang, but just look. Your sensors. Let's look up the ship, Dover Blue. Go to UL, listen to the motor. It's epic. Button went out. Go down to LL. Actually LJ. See if this door is gonna open up. Let's see. Open. This door still has a bumper. Watch this. Oops. Someone let me come in. We're going down. View the fixtures. Here's your cab view. It's just a very nice Dover elevator. Your phone, ADA compliant. Yep, there's where the old electric eye is. Kone Sun Service. I think they're Kone, but I'm not sure. Firefighters operation. Listen to the motor again. Directory, sign, fixtures, Dover traditional. Okay. And I'll even let you listen to the chime. Just listen to the chime now. There's the chime. Now let's watch it close. And let's see the distance it is down here. This is it. Here's the elevator on LJ. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 steps to get up here. There's the elevator, and that's it.